Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be taking a first look at this car that I just purchased at a salvage auction. Let's take a look. This is a 2010 Mini Cooper S. It has a little over 100,000 miles. Overall, it wasn't in any accidents. It has a clear title, but it was sold at an insurance auto auction. And now let's cut back to earlier in the day when we got it off the truck, and first view, first look, first start, the whole thing. Enjoy. Just took delivery of the car. Got it unloaded. As it came off the truck. Looks to be in very good condition. Some scratches, of course. Dirty as can be, but thank you, truck. The car is running. Has a check engine light. Let's see what that's all about. 102,000 miles. She's a good old girl. I actually didn't know that it has a navigation built in. That was not in the listing. Manual. Gonna have to learn how to drive a manual now. Here's what the engine looks like before any cleanup or anything, just as it came off the truck. Doesn't look like there's any leaks or anything. We're gonna have to do some investigation later, see what's going on. So far it sounds pretty good. A few things I want to check right away, since this car came from California, is if it has coolant, and if it doesn't have water in the coolant. It looks like it actually doesn't have much of any coolant. Also, windshield washer fluid. That actually looks like it froze up. That's not good. So I'm going to put the car in the garage. So we won't have more problems in the future. Hopefully that doesn't cause any leaks. I have put the car in the garage now, just to make sure if there's any water, especially in the coolant, that doesn't get frozen. The car did seem to have some ice in the windshield washer fluid, but hopefully that hasn't done any damage. It's pretty nice and warm in the garage compared to outside, so we'll see in the, by the end of the day if that all has melted and there's no drips on the bottom. Other than that, I think the car looks awesome. Better shape than I expected. As long as that check engine light doesn't cause me any issues, we should be good to go. The tires look pretty decent on the back. And pretty well in the front, but we can always take care of that. So I've received the car today during lunch. It's now about 8 p.m. at night. I got home. I put the car in the garage, so the water inside the windshield washer wipers container actually melted. I didn't notice any drips underneath, so that's a good start. Hopefully nothing cracked. So I'm just gonna add real, winter stuff to it. That way, I don't have any cracked piping or anything like that. Same for the coolant, the antifreeze. There's absolutely nothing in there. I really hope that it was actual antifreeze in there and not just water that they added. So I'm gonna add a bottle now and see how it goes. I guess that one was pretty full. I'm gonna run the car, run as much water out as possible. And now for the important part. Don't want to run the car without a coolant. We don't need funnels. That should be plenty. I'm gonna run the car, see if there are any bubbles coming out. Do you see some bubbles? I also want to see what the oil looks like. Can open the cap and see a little bit inside. Doesn't look too bad. I don't see any white sludge or anything like that. They will tell me that there is an issue. Looks pretty good. Got a clean rag. I'm gonna see what the oil looks like. Wipe that off. Pretty good. Okay, let's see how much oil the car has. Okay, looks like it has a good amount of oil, right? Like 60-70%. The line is like right there. At least Manny's put a dipstick on the car. My BMW doesn't have one. It's tight. Let's get the car started. Seems to run pretty well. Maybe it's time for a drive. You see a little bit of smoke coming out of the exhaust. I hope it's not the engine burning oil. Well, after a quick drive around the block, or maybe more like 10 minutes of driving, there's no more coolant. There's no more coolant, and the fan was running on high when I pulled in. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to look into that. Fill that up again. Gonna start the car, see if there are any leaks. I'm gonna let the car run until the thermostat opens up, see if that makes any difference. Thank you for watching my video. There's going to be many more videos on this car. We're going to troubleshoot the coolant problem, see what that's all about, see if there's any other issues on the car, and try to get it running 100%. I will also make a video on all the features that this car has. It actually came fairly loaded, even though I had none of this information when I was looking at it online. I'm looking forward to making more videos. Like and subscribe for more car content.